Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Instacart, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.instacart.com and hit enter. Once the Instacart homepage loads, locate and click on the Sign Up button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address in the designated field. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. Next, create a secure password that meets the requirements provided. Re-enter your password to confirm it. Then, select your location by entering your zip code. This helps Instacart find stores near you that are available for delivery. Click on the Find Stores button once you've input your zip code. Review the list of available stores and choose your preferred one. After selecting a store, click Continue to proceed. You might be asked to provide some personal information. This may include your name, phone number, and address. Fill in the necessary fields accurately. Once you've completed your information, click on the Create Account button. A verification email will be sent to the email address you provided. Check your inbox for the verification email from Instacart. Click the verification link in the email to validate your account. After verifying your email, return to the Instacart website. Log in with your newly created credentials. Now you can start browsing for groceries and creating your shopping list. Explore the store sections to find the items you need. Add items to your cart by clicking on the Add to Cart button next to each product. Once you've finished shopping, click on the cart icon to review your selections. Proceed to checkout by following the on-screen instructions. Provide any additional delivery details if prompted. Choose your preferred delivery method and payment option. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.